singing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this makeup look, and if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, just go ahead and keep on watching and let's get started. For foundation, I used my Milani, the 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm in the shade Creamy Vanilla. Then took my Airspun loose powder to set it in place. And for my eyebrows, I use my Essence How to Make Brows Wow, and I usually just use this dark shade right here in the shade Love Brunettes. So the first shade that I use on my eyes is this yellow color right here from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Taking this yellow along my crease using this Wet n Wild fluffy blending brush. Now that I've stamped the yellow along my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and take yellow eyeshadow and expand it all the way to the end of the tape. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and blend softly the edge of the yellow in small circular motions. Next, I'm going in with this orange shade right here. Brush and scratching the edge of the orange to blend it out. After that is done, I'm gonna take this red color right here. Using the same brush, I'm packing this all over the eyelid. Next, you want to go ahead and softly blend out the red. To deepen up the look, I'm going to pick up this shade right here from the Shine XO palette. For my outer corner, I'm taking Parallel from the ABH Prism palette. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. Next, you want to go ahead and set it in place. Next, I'm going to quickly go ahead and include a little bit of the red on the outer corner. Taking a Parallel to darken it. For a little bit of a sparkle, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. And if the line is not straight, you can straighten it up by taking your concealer and your angled brush. For my lower lash, I'm going to be taking yellow. Next, I'm taking a little bit of the red. I use my Butter Bronzer. Jordana blush in the shade of Redwood. Next, I'm taking my Airspun loose powder to cut my crease. For highlight, I'm going to use my sleek highlight. I used the NYX lip liner in the shade Peekaboo Neutral and filled it in with the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Pink Sugar and topped it off with the Wet n Wild lip gloss. To set everything in place, I take my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. I'm finally done, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!